Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. Indian Army signed a contract for 72,400 SIG 716 assault rifles with which of the following countries firm? Israel, Japan, South Korea or USA? The answer is D, USA. Indian Army signed a contract for these assault rifles with 6 of the USA. The entire lot will be delivered within 12 months. Now these new rifles will replace the Indian National Small Arms System INSAS rifles. Which article of the Constitution provides minority communities the fundamental right to establish and administer the educational institutions? Article 32, Article 30, Article 25 or Article 21? Answer is B, Article 30. Article 12 to Article 35 of the fundamental rights are very important from exam point of view. You need to by heart all these articles. Article 30 of the Constitution provides minority communities the fundamental right to establish and administer the educational institutions. Aligarh Muslim University is seeking minority status. Recently, Supreme Court referred this issue of the minority status to the AMU to a 7-judge bench. Aligarh Muslim University is in Uttar Pradesh, which was founded by Syed Ahmad Khan. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has extended the deadline for the customers to select TV channels under the new tariff regime by which of the following date? March 1st, March 15th, March 31st or April 1st? Answer is C, March 31st. Cable TV subscribers now have the time till March 31st, 2019 to select channels. Now, TRAI has noticed that some subscribers were facing difficulties in selecting channels of their choice, so they extended the deadline till March 31st, 2019. Recently, we have discussed the chairman of the TRAI is Ram Sevak Sharma. Remember, very important. Boeing is an aircraft manufacturing company from which of the following country? Russia, USA, United Kingdom or China? Answer is B, United States of America. Boeing is the world's largest aerospace company and leading manufacturer of commercial jetliners, airplanes, missiles, etc. US aircraft manufacturer Boeing has recently named Salil Gupta as its India head, which will be effective from March 18th, 2019. Now he will be based in New Delhi and report to Mark Allen, who is the president of Boeing International. Gundappa Vishwanath, the hero and the role model, now turns 70 this year. Belongs to which of the following sport from India? Wrestling, cricket, boxing or football? Answer is B, cricket. Gundappa Ranganath Vishwanath, who hails from the state of Karnataka, is a former Indian cricketer. He was one of India's finest batsmen throughout the 1970s. India never lost a test match where Vishy is his nickname, made a century and he made 14 of them. Irani Cup is related to which of the following sport? Cricket, badminton, tennis or football? The answer is A, cricket. You need to have minimum idea which cup is related to which of the following sport. And these kind of questions are appearing in recent examinations. Currently, the Irani Cup 2019 championship is going on. The Irani Cup tournament was conceived during 1959-60 season to mark the completion of 25 years of the Ranji Trophy championship. The current champion is Vidarbha cricket team and the most successful team is Rest of India, who won 28 titles. A study conducted by the German Federal Office for Radiation Protection found which of the following phone emits the highest level of radiation? OnePlus 5T, MI A1, iPhone 7, Pixel 3 XL. The answer is B, MI A1. All the options which I have mentioned here also emits the highest level of radiation and are placed in top level list. Xiaomi Mi A1 emits the highest level of radiation in a list of current smartphone models, followed by OnePlus 5T in second place, whereas Samsung phones are found to lead the range of least radiation level models. Xiaomi Mi A1 emits the most radiation with a specific absorption rate of 1.74 watts per kilogram, while the OnePlus 5T, which comes second, has an absorption rate of 1.68 watts per kilogram. So make sure that you use the less radiation level phone models. BAFTA awards are annually presented in which of the following cities? Los Angeles, London, Moscow or Beijing? The answer is B, London. The 72nd British Academy Film and Television Arts Awards, known as BAFTA Awards, were held on 10th of February 2019 at the Royal Albert Hall in London, honoring the best films of 2018. The best film is Roma and the best director is Alfonso Cuarón. The best British film is The Favourite, and the most awards were received for The Favourite with almost 7 awards, and it also received the most nominations this year. Let's see the question for the day. Kyasanur Forest Disease, also known as the monkey fever, was recently observed in which of the following states in India? Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh or Rajasthan? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Who is the ex-chief of the CBI who apologizes to Supreme Court for transferring an officer probing Bihar shelter home cases? Alok Verma, Nageshwar Rao, Rishi Kumar Shukla or Rakesh Asthana? Answer is B, Nageshwar Rao, as rightly answered by Ashwin Mishra, Mallish Myakala and Idravadan Solanki. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. Mr. Nageshwar Rao, when he was the ex-chief of the CBI, he transferred Joint Director A.K. Sharma, who was probing Bihar shelter home cases, to the Central Reserve Police Force. Now, the bench said that it was unable to understand why Mr. Rao transferred him when he was probing the special case Bihar shelter home case. And Supreme Court held the former interim director of the CBI, Mr. Nageshwar Rao, guilty of contempt for disobeying its order, as he did not even communicate his decision with the Supreme Court of India. The court had fined rupees 1 lakh each and punished them to sit in one corner of the room for remaining of the working hours. Now, though Mr. Nageshwar Rao had unconditionally apologized to Supreme Court of India, saying that he did not willfully violate the order of the court and he cannot even dream of violating the court's order, but the bench refused to accept the apology of Mr. Nageshwar Rao, saying that he was aware of the order. Quote for the day: always strive to be better than who you were yesterday. So always work on yourself to become a better person than you were yesterday. This is it for today. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.